Poco F1 versus Google Pixel 3a Google camera comparison. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to do a comparison of the pictures taken by the Google Pixel 3a and the Xiaomi Poco F1 using the Google Camera APK. The version of Google Camera application for both these phones was the same, and I will link the Google Camera APK I used for the Poco F1 in the description of this video, along with the settings I used to take these pictures. All pictures will be displayed for 4 seconds. The first picture will be that taken by the Google Pixel 3a. Then you will have a picture taken by the Xiaomi Poco F1, and then you will have a comparison shot. And at the end of the video, make sure you peeps leave a comment down below and let me know which phone you prefer for the pictures. Without any further delay, let's get started. that will do it for this video, peeps. Make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know which phone you prefer. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.